Stay tuned for some tips and tricks on how to use the laminated dry erase to-do list that you get when you shop at my shop. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and today I wanted to talk to you about my cute little samplers that you get when you order from my shop. So my shop is thehootingpirate.com, and you get one of these cute little laminated to-do lists, and on the back is a tiny mini little calendar. So I'm going to show you what you can do with this, but first I'm going to show you some easy ways to get it into your planner. So let's start with a ring planner, because I think a lot of people are in rings, and it's pretty simple. You take out a dashboard or the first page or anything that has holes in it already, and you're going to line up your little to-do list with the holes where you want them. So maybe you want your holes you just want the to-do list there. Maybe you want it down at the bottom. Maybe you want it to be here or here. Or maybe what I like to do is to put it up so that the to-do list sticks out the top of your planner so you can find it easily, and it also works as a bookmark towards the page that you're on. So that way you can move this up and hole punch directly where you want those holes to be. So let's go with the to-do sticking out the top. So using the page below as a guide, I'm just going to punch these holes, and I'm going to put it back. But then every day, if you're using this as a daily to-do list, then every day you're going to have to open your binder, move it around, and it gets a little annoying. So another little hack that I have is to take a pair of scissors and just make a slit from the edge of the plastic to the hole, and then you can just pop it on, pop it out, and it stays in your planner, and then it sticks out and you can find your page super easily. What if you're not in a ring? What if you're in a traveler's notebook? So let's see how we can get this guy into your traveler's notebook. So what I would do, because I'm in a traveler's notebook, is I would trim off the extra, and I would just throw that away. But that gets a little sharp, so I usually, and what I've done in the samplers, is I will just clip off a tiny little bit of the corner. If you don't have a corner rounder, just use your scissors and just snip off that little corner so that it's not as sharp. And I have actually, I don't think I've drawn blood, but I have had a little scrape and things on my hands because of my lamination. Anyway, two ways you can get this in your planner. You can just stick it in one of the pockets, or you can use a clip and have it hanging on there with a clip. Or you can use washi and stick it to the page that you're using. I would, though, put the washi on your skin, just take some of the sticky out before you stick it to your paper, because tomorrow when you're done with this and you rip it up, you don't want it to be ripping the pages. But if you have it so that it's not quite so sticky, you can move it around quite easily and it will stay in your planner for the day. And you can always change out the washi because that's fun too, right? All right, now let's get into how we can make this to-do list work for you to keep you organized. So what you're going to need is a dry erase marker, and I also have a permanent one here, and I'll show you what you can do with both of them. So you can either write out your to-do list for your day the night before, early in the morning, and then as you go through your day, check them off. And at the end of the day, when everything's all finished, you can just take a rag or a Kleenex even and wipe it off. Don't get it on your table. And it's also fun to have a cute little piece of fabric to do that for you. Or what you could do is to write, if you do the same thing every day, for example, like I have 6 children, so I do laundry every day. So you could write it in a permanent marker, which this is, and then go through your day and check everything off. And when the end of the day comes, you just wipe off the ticks, and that to-do list will stay there. If, for example, I don't know why you would stop doing laundry, maybe you get a maid or you get the window laundry, you don't have to do your own laundry anymore. You want to erase that? You can use rubbing alcohol. I'm sorry, I forget who posted that you can use hand sanitizer. Anything with alcohol in it I think would work. But what I like to do, because I have it on hand, is to just use my dry erase marker. Oh, now I've got my pen is all blue, and that'll take it right away. All right, let's flip it over and do the other side. Now this is a cute little calendar, and all you have to do is write in the month in permanent so that it doesn't wipe away every month, and then you can write in the dates just so that you have a calendar on hand, because I know sometimes it's hard when you're going through the month and you just need to know what date it is. Of course you have your phone, but this is so much cuter because it's in your planner. Also, this is a perfect size to fit into your wallet, so you can have it on hand there as well. All right, there you have it. Some fantastic ideas to use your laminated dry erase to-do list. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.